Hey everyone, I invite everyone who wants to step into artificial intelligence and computer vision technologies to our course. In the Computer Vision Smart System course, you will learn to develop your own deep learning model from scratch using OpenCV, Python, and YOLO. So, what will you learn during this course? First, you will master computer vision and image processing techniques. Then you will develop object detection application from scratch using the YOLO algorithm. At the end of the course, you will transform what you have learned into a project that you can use in the real world and develop a car counting system. This course, which progresses step by step and is full of practical training, it will increase both your theoretical knowledge and practical skills. If you want to develop your own projects in the field of computer vision, this course is for you. I can't wait to see you among us already. See you in the course.